Imagine sharing your late-night thoughts online and discovering those very words help train the next generation of artificial intelligence without your knowledge or consent. This is not science fiction. Reddit is now suing Anthropic, a leading AI startup, for allegedly using Reddit's vast collection of user posts to train its Claude chatbot, all without paying or asking permission. Your online words may be more valuable and vulnerable than you think. For years, data has been called the new oil. Reddit has accumulated billions of posts, jokes, and debates over nearly 20 years. Tech companies are hungry for this data to build smarter AI. Reddit currently earns an estimated $20 million annually by licensing its data to giants like Google and OpenAI. But not all players want to pay. Reddit claims Anthropic simply took what it wanted, scraping content over 100,000 times, even after promising to stop. Reddit's lawsuit, filed in June 2025, could set a legal precedent for who controls online content. Reddit argues that Anthropic's use of user posts for commercial purposes violates its user agreement and is not fair use. In one striking case, Claude 3, Anthropic's latest AI, was caught repeating text from a private Reddit post. The stakes are massive. If Reddit wins, AI companies may have to negotiate licenses and pay for user-generated data. This could transform every post or comment into intellectual property with tangible value. James Grimmelman, a legal scholar, says the outcome hinges on whether AI data scraping is considered transformative use, a gray area in copyright law. Kathy O'Neill, a data ethicist, adds, "This lawsuit highlights the urgent need for ethical guidelines in AI training." But the debate isn't just legal. Many Reddit users and moderators are protesting, urging data strikes and content deletions to push back against unauthorized scraping. The Electronic Frontier Foundation argues that a limited right to scrape public data is essential for AI research, while others say now is the moment to demand respect for user rights. Wall Street is watching. Reddit's stock jumped by 5% after the lawsuit. Governments are paying attention too. The United States Copyright Office will soon release new guidelines on AI training data, and other regions may follow with their own rules. If Reddit sets a precedent, we could see a patchwork of licensing regimes worldwide, making AI development more complicated and expensive. There are risks. Tighter data controls could slow AI innovation or increase costs, making it harder for startups to compete. Yet it could also create new industries around data licensing, synthetic data, or decentralized AI models that avoid scraping altogether. For everyday internet users, the message is clear. Your online contributions are valuable. If data licensing becomes the norm, you might one day have more control, or even a share, in how your content is used. Transparency and consent are becoming vital. Before posting online, consider, who owns your digital footprint? Are you comfortable with your words training artificial intelligence? Reddit's case is a turning point. The rules for data ownership, compensation, and AI ethics are being written now. Over 500 AI models have already been trained on Reddit data, often before any licenses existed. The genie is out of the bottle. The real question is, who gets to control it next? If you want to stay informed as these new rules are created, follow our channel, hit like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Should your posts help train AI? Your voice